Hey guys, it's Recruiter24 and here are my cat impressions. I'm gonna do 3 today, like I always do. Okay, and a bonus one because I love you guys. So it's gonna be, don't forget 3, 20% off, Tori, stop, and the bonus one. Okay. Here goes. Don't forget 3. Okay, I'm gonna count to 10, and if you're not out there, I'm going home and we're over. Don't forget 3. Some people forget it. They were like 20% off. That's like 80% on. Tori. Stop what? Jake said yes. And here's the bonus one. That was so fun. I know. Hey cat, wanna make out? Oh, Robbie, you're so gross. Okay, that's it. I love you guys. Bye. Upload my random stuff next and story. Dun dun dun. Here's a hint. It's Cat's birthday. Bye.